Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given that whether it is possible to have a regular polygon whose each exterior angle measures 40 degree. So we have to tell whether the given statement is true or false. Now in order to solve this, we need to find a relation between total number of sides and exterior angle. So the relation is total number of sides of regular polygon equals 360 degree upon measure of each exterior angle. Now since this is a regular polygon, so each exterior angle measures same. So total number of sides will be equal 360 degree upon exterior angle, which is given as 40 degrees. So 4 will cancel out 36 and will produce 9. Therefore, required polygon has 9 sides and each exterior angle measures 40 degree. So this is exactly possible because number of sides is an integer and it is greater than or equal to 3. Because if there are only 2 sides, then we can't say that it is a polygon. But if it is if it has 3 sides, then it will be a triangle. If it has 4 sides, then it will be a quadrilateral. So the answer will be true, that it is possible to have a regular polygon each of whose exterior angle is 40 degree. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.